Okay, today is day 11 of our unboxing series for our Sallie Tomato Co Box. So this gift is inside a paper envelope and it says, Day 11, a classy project awaits you inside. Darling, you will love using this just as much as making it. Now, the video tutorial for this pattern will not debut until next month, so make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel to get notified of that video's release. Now, before I show you the pattern, I just want to remind you that this is exclusive to you guys first. Nobody else has this, it's not on our website or anywhere else, and this pattern has been highly requested over the years. So excited to share with you the Bella wallet pattern. So this wallet has a zipper closure that zips all around the outer part of the wallet. There are interior and exterior zipper pockets, lots of card pockets, and there's optional hardware for this pattern as well. You can add a wrist strap, you can add a chain strap if you want to wear it crossbody. You can also add a tassel, so you can totally customize this wallet, make it as fancy or as minimal as you like. This pattern is designed by Kate Bashinsky. I know you've seen her on our tutorials on our YouTube channel. She is so incredibly talented. I definitely will be making these for friends and family and for myself to use as my everyday wallet. Just think of the possibilities with the different hardware and also featuring different cork fabric prints and faux leather textures. And remember that if this pattern intimidates you, no worries, there's a picture for every step included in the pattern, and also we will be releasing a step-by-step video tutorial where Kate will walk you through the steps to create the wallet. Thanks for watching today's video, and I'll see you tomorrow where we'll open up another gift.